Timer.
Okay. Wait.
Change word tayo ulit na.
Password. Joke. Time ready. Okay. White ball. Right. You know, password, you know. Labas. Password muna para hindi mahuli ni Madam
Darling.
Ni Darling. Pag-ibig o beer? Alright. Seed. Pass by. Top. Alright. Hindi mo pasok. Rebound by Allen. Allen, pass by Ponce. Diba bola by Allen. Another by Ponce. Good play. Yes, sir. First shot by Ponce. 1-0. Alright.
Baka dyan, sir. Baka dyan. Sa atin na.
Attempt to two. Yes, hindi pumasok. Another good rebound. Yes. Hindi pumasok. Good rebound. Another one. Yes, hindi pa rin pumasok. Good rebound by Allen. Nangingibabaw. Joseph. Pass by Allen. Yes, sir. By Allen. 2-0. Favor black. Alright.
Maglalaban yung B.
B versus B. Okay. Alright. Allen. Basketball. Dribble one. Nice ball. Good one. Yes, sir. Hindi masuk. C. Jersey number 6. Good rebound by Allen. Another one by Ponce. Ponce rebound bola. Yes, sir, by Ponce. 2-0. Favor of black. Sinusur niya ang mga black. Alright. Aloy, play. Alright, play. Dribble by play. Pass by Pau. Yeah. Feed by Pau. Another shot by Pau. Hindi pumasok. Good rebound by Joseph. Binaba ang bola. Pass by Allen. Pass by another Ponce. Another one by Joseph. Good play by Joseph. Yes, sir. 4-0 by black jersey. Alright. Jeff Kaloy. Pau. Pass by Jeff. Pass by Sid by yes, great. Good rebound by Pau. Good Victor. Yes, sir, by Sid.
Forward.
Ba't wala yung isang list? Kasi yung list? Sid. Ha? Sid. Sid.
Alright, foul by Victor by Ponce. Yes, sir. Hindi mo masok. Another one by Pau. Pass by Jeff. Ulitin ka naman si Jeff. Dribble by Jeff. Another shot by Jeff. Yes, hindi mo masok. Good ball by Sid. Yes, risky basket by Sid. Alright. 4-2. Mendoza, pass by Victor. Another pass by Mendoza itinira. Yes! Hindi mo masok. Good rebound by Sid. Lead by Jeff. Yes, sir! By Jeff. Alright. 4-3.
Pero na traveling eh. Traveling. Layo na.
Alright, Allen. Pass by Victor by Allen. Another one by Victor. Itinira. Victor, another one by Victor by Allen. Itinira. Pass by Mendoza by, yes sir, by Mr. Roland. 5-3. Alright. Sid. Dribble by Sid. Pass by Kaloy. Kaloy by Chris. Chris, hindi nila. Yes, hindi pumasok. Good. Yes, sir. Black ball. Alright, Ponce. Rebound by Ponce. Ponce by Ponce. Hindi pumasok. Good ball by Kaloy by Jeff. Tuloy-tuloy. Jeff pass by yes, sir. Pau. Another shot by Pau. 5 points. Sa nalang po ang kalabangan ng track. Sa nalang po. Victor. Victor Wood. Rebound by Victor Wood. Victor. Pass by Allen. 3. Hindi pumasok. 1 by Allen. Allen. Ponce. Yes, sir. By Ponce. 6-4. 2 minutes and 48 seconds to remain.
Ibig sabihin 19 lang tayo. Kasi si Sid yun.
Alright, yes, by Pau. Attempt to 3. Yes, outside.
Magbebenta tayo pag dumating si Sergeant.
Si Jeremy na.
Alright, 6-4. Favor of Black. Inbound by Victor. Victor by Joseph. Joseph by Allen. Allen dribble by Joseph. Victor. Another Victor. Yes! Hindi pumasok. Good rebound by Pau. Pau. Dribble. Allen. By Jeff. Jeff. Nice dribble by Jeff. Uwi si Jeff. No. Pass by Pau. Yes! Hindi rin naman pumasok. Good rebound by Victor. Victor by Ponce. Ponce dribble by Ponce. Alright. Mendoza. Yes, sir. Mendoza.
1 minute and 30 seconds.
1 minute and 36 seconds. Play. Good ball by Allen. Allen by Joseph. Joseph by Ponce. Nice. Black by Ponce. Black by Kaloy. Yes! Good ball by Pau. Pau. Pass by Sid. Yes, sir! By Sid. Good rebound by Vector. Vector to Joseph. Joseph by Allen. Allen by Ponce. Ponce by Joseph. Joseph by Allen. Allen itinira. Hindi pumasok. Good rebound by Jeff. Dribble by Jeff. Binaba ang bola ni Jeff. Jeff. Yes! Sid. Yes, sir! Basket by Sid. Yes, 7-5. Alright. 7-5.
8 minutes na.
Seconds na lang.
28 seconds. Joseph. Yes, sir! By Allen. 18 seconds. 17. 15. 13 seconds. Good ball by Pau. 8, 9, 7,
Okay,
5, 4, 3, 2. Change score. Okay, 8-6. Favor of Black. Yes, sir. Change score na. Tuloy-tuloy na po tayo. Yes. Okay. Ang susunod na maglalaro ay D versus D. Alright? Yes, sir! 2 points by Jeff. 2 points by Jeff. Okay. 7-8. Move by Jeff.
Game by Pau. Hello, wala. Dalawa. Yes, basket.
Basket. Basket by. Alright. Alright. Alright na yan, alright na. Kaya nga, 2 points. Kaya nga 5, 37. Tapos nakasunod na big 8.
Nakasat yung black ha, nakasat ang black.
Alright, nakasunod ang black, 9-8. Alright. Yes, 9-8. Alright? Alright. Okay.
Sabi ko, reklamo, ititiknik namin.
Ite-technical namin kayo. Reklamo kayo ng reklamo. Jeff, yes! Hindi pumasok. Good pa by Ponce. Ponce. Ponce, yes sir! By Ponce. Wala na wapal, another Ponce. Good pick by Ponce. Pass by Perez! Yes sir! Yes sir! By Perez! Perez!
Lupit nun.
Jeff. Basket by Jeff. 6 minutes and 15 seconds remaining. Alright. Lamang na lang isa. Teddy. Joseph. Yes. Good pa by Clint. Clint by Paul. Jeff by Sin. Sin. Attempt to 2. Yes sir. Basket by 2 points. 11 na. Lamang na lang isa.
White.
Puti. Alright! Lumatang pa po ang puti! Lumatang pa po ang puti! Aminan mo si Allen! Yes! Hindi mo kakakul! Tapang Pau! Pau dribble! Binaba! Yes sir! Good! Right! Allen! Alright! Loose ball by Bragas!
Tumana sa ulo.
Kinaman sa ulo si Bragas! Shit! Another swat! Swat by Grant! Yes! Hindi pumasok. Good back by Ponce. Ponce. Ponce by Bragas. Bragas by another shot by Bragas. Hindi pumasok ang tira ni Bragas. Alright. Sayang Bragas.
Sayang ang assist.
Yes! By another good by Riley. Binali pa ang angkong. Yes! Bragas by Mendoza. Pinasa pa ni Bragas kay Mendoza. Alright, on 11. 4 minutes and 37 seconds. Alright, Jeff. On 11. Deadlock. Yes! Umikot. Umatras ng konti. Yeah, alright. Lost ball by White and that ball. Alright. Labas mo ng bola, ha? Medyo pumasok ang daga sa putas. Alright, only 11 ang score. Huwag kayong masyado masilap na sila at baka kayo may akin na i-terminate. Ang susunod na laban ay B versus D.
Ito na kayo?
Saan tumungan ko? Depende sa...
2 points, 2 points.
2 points. Alright. Black 13-11. Another. Binabali Ponce. Jersey number 16. Hindi nila. Yes sir! Basket by jersey number 60. 14-11. Lumamang na po ng tatlo. Lumamang na po ng tatlo. 2 minutes and 28 seconds. Pau. Tinira sa press. Yes sir! By Pau. 2 points. Isa na lang po kalamangan. Ang ganda po lang hugita ng laban. 14-13 ang ating score. Ang ating oras ay 2 minutes and 10 seconds. Okay, for the third game, ready, sit, get well, get roll, sit another one, watch hockey. NTV. Allen, tuloy sa tres, yes! Sit. Isa na lang po ang kalamangan, Jeff. Binabaan ko lang, Bulugoy. Yes! Nice pass by Clint. Clint! Hindi pumasok. Good block by Sing. Good block by Allen. Allen by Anagawang back. By Nakuwang foul. Nanakawang foul. Nanakawang foul. Yes! Okay, 14-13 na po. Ang ating oras ay 2 minutes and 26 seconds. Alright, ready for the third game. Mr. Yusuf, Mr. Manuel, Mr. Jethro, Mr. Smith, and Hosley. And Team B, and two, Alfred, Eric, Dex, and Brian. Woo! Alright, on 14. Napakaganda ng laban. Parang higit na higit. Higit na higit. Good rebound by Chris. Another pass by Jeff. Tuloy-tuloy ang Chris. Oh, wow! Allen. Allen, I think, pass by Bento Root! Yes, sir! Nagpapatunan sa 15-14. Ang ating oras, 1 minute and 35 seconds. Ibinigay ang bola kay Jeff. Itinira ni Jeff sa press. Hindi, pinasa pa rin. Pinasa. Kaloy! Yes! Basket! All 15. Ang ganda na labanan. Parang
1 minute and
1 minute and 20 seconds. Yes! Ganda! Right na lang ang foul. Raise your hand, Mr. Powell. Si Powell na Powell. Alright. 1 minute remaining. Porsche. 2 minutes at rest. Lumibang ba yung Allen? Lumibang! Oh, nawala ang bola. Another. Joseph. Alright! Ipinasa pa ang bola. Hindi maninira. Tuloy-tuloy pinabas ng si Mr. Smith. Yes, sir! Labang na po ang puti. 43 seconds. Jet black. White tama. 60-50. Rebound. Joseph. By Jose. 31 seconds. Yes! Rebound by Kaloy. Kaloy by Jeff. Jeff. Tuloy-tuloy. Itinira. Yes, sir! By Jeff. 70-50. 17 seconds. Lumabang na po ng dalawa. 14 seconds, 12 seconds, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Yes, sir! Yes, sir! That's the point, sir! 2, yes! Yes! Wala na. Dead